Wisdom is the ability or result of an ability to think and act utilizing knowledge, experience, understanding, common sense, and insight. We all know that life can get tiring and overwhelming, so any positive words or words of wisdom are surely welcome. Shastra Science begins a new episode on words of wisdom by famous personalities. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Albert Einstein. The essence of science is independent thinking and hard work, not the equipment. C.V. Raman. There are three kinds of lies, damned lies, and statistics. Mark Twain. Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. Swami Vivekananda. Span of one's life is limited. What comes after death, no one knows, nor do I care. Since, therefore, I cannot increase the content of life by increasing its duration, I will increase it by increasing its intensity. Homi J. Bhabha. Future will never overtake you if your determination to succeed is strong enough. APJ Abdul Kalam. It is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. Aristotle. In science, one tries to tell people in such a way as to be understood by everyone, something that no one ever knew before. But in poetry, it is the exact opposite. P.A.M. Dirac. It is India that gave us the ingenious method of expressing all numbers by means of 10 symbols, each symbol receiving a value of position as well as an absolute value, a profound and important idea which appears so simple to us now that we ignore its true merit. Pere Simon de Laplace. Every bit of rock, of mineral or fossil bone or piece of wood tells a story. Birbal Sahni. I am interested in mathematics only as a creative art. G.H. Hardy. The real danger is not that computers will begin to think like men, but that men will begin to think like computers. Sidney J. Harris. If there was any success in my life, I was built on the unshakable foundation of failure. J.C. Bose. There is no branch of mathematics, however abstract, which may not one day be applied to phenomena of the real world. Nikolai Obochevsky. Education is for improving the lives of others and for leaving your community and world better than you found it. Marian Wright Edelman. To know is to know that you know nothing. That is the meaning of true knowledge. Socrates. To repeat what others have said requires education. To challenge it requires brains. Mary Pettibone Poulet. All models are wrong, but some models are useful. G.E.P. Box. A leader, if one chooses to identify one, has to be a cultivator rather than a manufacturer. He has to provide the soil and overall climate and the environment in which the seed can grow. One wants permissive individuals who do not have a compelling need to reassure themselves that they are leaders. Vikram Sarabhai. The present age is an age of science when the forces of nature are being controlled with an amount of success which could not be dreamt of by earlier generations. M.N. Saha. If you like my presentation, please subscribe.